If you have a WooCommerce store and you want to have affiliates promoting your products, I'm going to show you one of my favorite affiliate plugins for WordPress. It's called Affiliate WP, and on this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the basic settings so you can get started right away. So let's get started right now. What's up, everyone? Like I said, I'm going to show you Affiliate WP, which is my personal favorite affiliate plugin, and the link we provided in the description. Now, before I show you how to set it up, let me show you my sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. And if you plan to grab a hosting plan, I do recommend their hosting plans. So in this case, go to the link in the description also, and there's going to be an extra discount coupon code that you can use. So jump over to hosting, web hosting, so you can check out the shared hosting plans. And there's 3 plans available. And in this case, I'm going to show you the business plan, which is $3.99 a month. And if you select this one, I'm going to show you how to apply that coupon code. Now, once you are directed to this section, you're going to be asked to select the amount of months that you want to lock in the price for. I recommend 48 months. You lock in the lowest price, the lowest renewal price, and you're good to go with 48 months. Now, right now, the total is $191.52. But if you add my coupon code, which is Saas Master, and apply it, the price is going to drop to $172.37. So if you plan it to grab a hosting plan, use my coupon code. Now, for the Affiliate WP setup. Now, on this WordPress site, which is my demo site, the only thing I've done is added the license for Affiliate WP. So this is going to be a really easy get started guide so you can get started with this affiliate plugin. Now, in this case, it knows I'm using Elementor, but if you're using another theme that is compatible with Affiliate WP, it will install different things that are useful. So in this case, it has Elementor elements inside of Affiliate WP. That's why it's going to install this recommended integration. Now you can view all the integrations here, for example, contact form, opt-in, mice member, ninja forms, etc. Select the ones that you have available or you plan to install. Okay, let's go ahead and continue. Okay, and in this case, it's going to ask you if you want to activate this, the payout service. Of course, we want to pay out affiliates. A PayPal payouts, this is a really easy way to do a payout, and manual payouts. If you do this manually, and if you want to ask them to provide you bank details, if you're going to do transfers, use Wise or something else, go ahead and enable this and go ahead and continue. Now, the currency that you're going to be doing the payouts, in this case, let's keep it in dollars. The commission amount, is it going to be a percentage or a flat rate? Now, in this case, we're going to keep it at percentage and we'll keep it at 20%. Is it going to be a tiered affiliate rates? So if you're going to have different tiered affiliates, so if you have affiliates that bring in a lot of sales, they will have a different percentage, or based on sales, you'll have different percentage. If you want to enable this, or just keep it at flat 20%. Growth tools, which will help you with sales. You can go ahead and enable and disable what you don't need. My recommendation is you disable everything right here. These are plugins that are going to be installed. That's going to be a lot of bloatware here. So I do recommend that you turn these off, especially if you already have an SEO plugin. It's going to install this one. Just go ahead and turn it off and install these manually if you need them. Okay, let's go ahead and continue. And it's going to be loading the pro features in this case because we're on the pro plan. Okay, here we go. The basic setup has been created. Let's go ahead and finish setup and exit. And we're going to be able to view this menu right here, Affiliate WP. Like I said, this is a get started guide for Affiliate WP. So you want to add your first affiliate so you can do some testing. You can log into that user, and then we're going to level up our affiliate area. So affiliate portal, let's go ahead and install that now. There we go. And set up the payout service. In this case, I'm going to skip this for now. We're going to dismiss the setup, because I want to show you how to get started, not actually how to set everything up. Okay, so now let me show you something. If you go to pages, there should be a page created. Here it is, affiliate area page. This one is created with that. Now you have the option to use this page, or you can use short links, short codes. Now that means that if you create a page or a blog post or whatever you want, you add that short code and it'll have whatever you've created in Affiliate WP. It could be the login portal, it could be the registration, it could be the actual dashboard, etc. All from here. So let me show you this. Let's go ahead and view this. Okay, here we go. So you can see you got creative, statistics. Now there's a better view of this. So this looks really old. There's a new layout which looks much nicer. I'll show you that in a bit, okay? But right now, this is working, okay? For example, this is me. I got my affiliate link. You could change all of this. It could be ref, it could be AFF or something else, and change it whatever you like. Okay, you got your settings there. Okay, so let's go back here. So like I said, we got our affiliate area really easily here. So let's go back into the Affiliate WP settings. Now we're gonna go into add-ons. So So in add-ons, we're going to be able to view what we want to add or not. For example, affiliate area shortcuts. That's what I was mentioning, that you can use shortcuts in different pages that you create. So it's going to install this option right here and just go ahead and activate what you need. Okay. And what you don't need, just keep it off so it doesn't install anything like that. Okay. So what else do we want to install? We want to do affiliate landing pages. We want to enable that. Affiliate portal, that's already enabled. Affiliate product rates. Let me show you something else that you might want to install. So there's several options here that you might want to install add-ons depending on your needs. So basically, I think those are the most important ones. And in case you were using Zapier, you want to enable that one also. Okay. Push notifications, PayPal payouts, which obviously if you want to do payouts, go ahead and enable that. But for now, we're going to skip that. Set up your SMTP for sending out emails with your own SMTP. So that means that we're not going to be sending out emails in different branded domains, something like that. It's going to be your own domain. Okay, and once all that's set up, let me show you how to activate the affiliate portal, the one that looks nice. So let's go into our settings and go ahead and go through these, obviously one by one. But go into affiliate portal here, and we want to check this one to enable the affiliate portal. Let's go ahead and save it. There we go. Let's go back into our pages. Let's go ahead and view this and check that out. That looks really nice. That doesn't even look like it's a WordPress site. So we have a nice looking dashboard with affiliate URLs, statistics, graphs, referrals, payouts, visits, creatives, etc., with all the setup options right here. Okay, so it's that easy to start setting up your affiliate system for your WooCommerce site. That way you can start making money right away from affiliates. That means that you have an affiliate army promoting your products, which is a really great way to start selling more. But that is the basic setup for affiliate WP. Like I said, this is one of my personal favorite affiliate plugins for a WordPress site. So if you want to grab it, the link we provided in the description. And if you plan to grab a hosting plan, don't forget to use my coupon code, which is SaaSmaster. And that's a wrap.